After understanding what is weak acids and weak bases, the next thing we need to know that is dissociation constants of weak acids and weak bases. We will be seeing how to determine the dissociation constant of them. For that, let us consider the dissociation of a weak acid HA in a water, which is expressed as HA aqueous reversible, giving us H plus ions plus A minus ions. Remember, when we are drawing the reaction, it has to be a reversible arrow. Now to this we are simply applying our equilibrium formula, which we have done in chemical equilibrium. That is, equilibrium constant is nothing but a ratio of product of concentration of products upon product of concentration of reactant. Same thing we are going to apply here. So the equilibrium constant called acid dissociation constant, represented as Ka, for this given equilibrium is ratio of product of concentration of H plus ion, concentration of A minus ion upon concentration of HA. So that is simply the product of concentration of products upon concentration of reactant. This will be for acid, that is acid dissociation constant. Similarly, we can write down the dissociation of weak base BOH in water, which can be represented as BOH in aqueous medium, reversible arrow, B plus ions plus OH minus ion. The equilibrium constant called base dissociation constant, represented as Kb, for this given equilibrium will be ratio of concentration of B plus into concentration of OH minus upon concentration of BOH. Means again we are applying the same chemical equilibrium part, that is equilibrium constant part. Product of concentration of products upon concentration of reactant. But this time, as we are representing it for a weak base BOH, we call it as base dissociation constant. Okay. So the dissociation constant of weak acid or weak base is defined as a equilibrium constant for dissociation equilibrium of weak acid or weak base respectively. Why we say it is an equilibrium constant? Because the reactions will be reversible. So definitely they will reach to an equilibrium stage at some point of time, and that point it will have dissociated as well as undissociated part. And when we take a ratio of the two present at equilibrium, then we call it as acid dissociation constant Ka for weak acids, base dissociation constant Kb for weak base. Why we say it for weak acids and weak bases? Because for strong acids and strong bases, the reactions are irreversible, and as we know, irreversible reaction can never reach to the stage of equilibrium. So acid dissociation constant and base dissociation constant is strictly applicable only for weak electrolytes, means weak acids and weak bases.